In primetime news this evening, shop around. Agriculture Ministry insists prices of some fruits and vegetables on the decline. National Security Minister responds to concerns about Jamaica CCTV cameras. And 3 airport employees and a foreign national arrested and charged in connection with cocaine bust.
And welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, a new business venture is about to take flight in Clarendon at the Denby Showground. I'll give you what it involves a little later on in the business day.
And will the West Indies be venturing into a whitewash in the T20 series? Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of sports.
Well, thank you, Giovanni. Yes, the West Indies men, they're currently facing Bangladesh in their third T20. If they lose, well, they'll be whitewashed. But on the women's side, the Sunshine Girls are moving on up in the world rankings. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
That's good stuff. Now with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast, here's Romain Gordon.
Thanks, Janelle. Well, it's the same stuff. We still have generally sunny conditions for the morning, and we still have those showers continuing to affect sections of the northeast in the morning, stretching into the afternoons.
Not just calling Romain
Robinson. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what is your plan to get value for money when shopping this Christmas?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at tvjnews Center. With us, Primetime News returns after this break. Why are they still here?